Hey everyone, Chris Fix here. Today we're diving into a crucial component of your car's engine system that often goes unnoticed, but plays a vital role in your vehicle's performance. Let's talk about your car's mass airflow, MAF, sensor. This small but mighty sensor is essential for your engine's efficiency and overall health. This little guy is like the chef of your engine. Just as a chef needs to know the right amount of ingredients to make a perfect dish, the MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine. It tells the engine computer, the ECU, how much air is coming in. Why is this important? Well, the ECU needs this information to calculate the precise amount of fuel to inject into the engine. The ECU uses this information to mix the right amount of fuel with the air. This balance is crucial for optimal combustion, ensuring your engine runs efficiently and powerfully. This perfect mix is what makes your engine run smoothly and powerfully. When the air-fuel ratio is just right, you get better fuel economy, lower emissions, and a more responsive engine. A dirty MAF sensor can't measure the air accurately. Over time, dirt and debris can accumulate on the sensor, causing it to send incorrect data to the ECU. This throws the whole fuel-air mix off. When the mixture is too rich or too lean, it can lead to poor engine performance, increased emissions, and even damage to engine components. It's like putting the wrong ingredients in a cake. Imagine adding too much flour or not enough sugar. The result would be a disaster. Similarly, an incorrect air-fuel mix can wreak havoc on your engine. So, a clean MAF sensor means a happy engine. Regular maintenance and cleaning of the MAF sensor can prevent these issues and keep your engine running smoothly. And a happy engine means a happy you. Taking care of your MAF sensor is a small task that can make a big difference in your car's performance and your driving experience. So, don't overlook it. How do you know if your MAF sensor needs a cleaning? Your car will give you some telltale signs. Is your engine running rough, especially when idling? That could be your MAF sensor acting up. Do you notice a drop in acceleration? Yep, that could be the MAF sensor too. Other signs include trouble starting your car, bad fuel economy, and even your check engine light coming on. If you experience any of these, it's time to check your MAF sensor. Don't worry, cleaning your MAF sensor is super easy and quick. You can do it yourself in just 60 seconds. Here's what you'll need. MAF sensor cleaner. Don't use anything else. This special cleaner is designed to evaporate quickly and not leave any residue. Screwdriver. You'll need this to loosen the clamp holding the MAF sensor in place. That's it. 2 simple tools, and you're ready to clean. Ready to get cleaning? Here's how to do it in 60 seconds, or maybe a bit longer if you're new to this. But don't worry, we'll walk you through every step. First, locate the MAF sensor. It's usually located between the air filter and the throttle body. This is a crucial part of your car's engine management system, as it measures the amount of air entering the engine. Look for a sensor with a wire connector and a tube-like shape. It might be a bit tricky to spot at first, but once you know what you're looking for, it becomes easier. Next, disconnect the MAF sensor. Carefully unplug the electrical connector. Make sure to handle it gently to avoid damaging any wires. Then, loosen the clamp holding the sensor in place. You might need a screwdriver for this step. Be sure to keep track of any screws or clamps you remove. Third, remove the sensor. Gently slide the sensor out of the tube. Take your time with this step to avoid any accidental damage. Avoid touching the delicate wires inside. These wires are very sensitive and can be easily damaged, which would affect the sensor's performance. Fourth, spray with cleaner. Hold the sensor upright and spray the cleaner liberally on the wires. Make sure to use a cleaner specifically designed for MAF sensors to avoid any damage. Make sure to get all sides. Rotate the sensor to ensure that the cleaner reaches every part of the wires and the sensor housing. Finally, reinstall the sensor. Let the cleaner dry completely. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Then, slide the sensor back into the tube, reconnect the electrical connector, and tighten the clamp. Make sure everything is secure and in its proper place. That's it. You just cleaned your MAF sensor in 60 seconds or less. Regular maintenance like this can help keep your car running smoothly and efficiently. Great job! Section 5. Cleaning Hacks. Tips for a spotless MAF sensor. Here are a few extra tips for a sparkling clean MAF sensor. Always use MAF sensor cleaner. Other cleaners can leave residue that damages the sensor. Don't touch the wires. They're very delicate and can be easily damaged. Let the cleaner dry completely. This prevents any moisture from entering the engine. Following these simple tips will help you get the best cleaning results. Section 6. Revved up and ready. Enjoying the benefits. After cleaning your MAF sensor, you should notice a big difference in your car's performance. Your engine will run smoother, especially at idle. You might also experience better acceleration and fuel economy. Plus, that pesky check engine light might just turn off. Cleaning your MAF sensor is a quick and easy way to keep your car running its best. Section 7. Beyond cleaning, when to seek professional help. Sometimes cleaning your MAF sensor might not solve the problem. If you're still experiencing performance issues, there could be a bigger issue at hand. It could be a faulty MAF sensor that needs replacing. Or there could be a different problem with your engine altogether. In these cases, it's best to take your car to a trusted mechanic for a proper diagnosis. Section 8. Keep your engine happy. The importance of MAF cleaning. Cleaning your MAF sensor is a simple and inexpensive way to keep your car running in tip-top shape. The mass airflow, MAF sensor plays a crucial role in your vehicle's performance by measuring the amount of air entering the engine. Over time, dirt and debris can accumulate on the sensor, leading to inaccurate readings and poor engine performance. By incorporating this quick clean into your regular car maintenance routine, you can avoid performance issues, such as rough idling, stalling, and decreased acceleration. Regular cleaning ensures that your engine receives the correct air-fuel mixture, which is essential for optimal combustion. This not only improves fuel economy, saving you money at the pump, but also extends the life of your engine by reducing wear and tear. A well-maintained MAF sensor can lead to a smoother and more responsive driving experience. So, grab your MAF sensor cleaner and give your car the love it deserves. It's a straightforward process that can be done with minimal tools and in just a few minutes. Simply locate the MAF sensor, remove it, and spray it with a specialized cleaner. Remember, a clean car is a happy car. Regular maintenance, including MAF sensor cleaning, keeps your vehicle in top condition and ensures it runs efficiently. And a happy car means a happy you. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your car is performing at its best. Until next time, this is Chris Fix, reminding you to keep on wrenching. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to keep your car running smoothly.